So we offer a variety of donuts. We have variety packs, but they go from blueberry to cherry, apple cinnamon, pumpkin, and they're really popular. People love them, and we love making them. Just a passion for what we do, and they're fried, so they taste better. We've been specializing in donuts, and we're breaking into more baked goods. We have strawberries next year too. They're more fickle than apples, I'd say. So you have to cover them up, you know, go read to them at night. I don't know.
Mark Battle, and this is the Battle Sugar Bush. 450 with 700 tap holes. We put 1 to 3 tap holes per tree, depending how big in diameter they are. Up here on this end, they're light in color because that was made at the first of the season. Each one of those has got a date on the top, and we take a sample every day that we can syrup. And when the sap is real cold early in the season, when there's snow on the ground yet, it makes a light syrup. And then as the season goes on, the sap gets warmer, it makes a darker syrup. It doesn't change the sweetness, but the light is milder and the dark has got a stronger maple flavor to it.